Okay, so this is my 86 FC NA, obviously, and I'll show you what it's doing here. So it'll idle fine for a bit, and then it'll just start chugging away and running really rich. Sometimes this will happen when I'm on the highway too. I'm just driving along, and then all of a sudden it just, that.